can call to fill the space in my bed. And I wish it felt right, but I'm empty inside. 'Cause I keep thinking it was you instead. But I don't like who I'm turning into lately. Yeah. But I can't be alone now that you're gone. Can you really blame me? Cause I hate being single. Find someone to take home. Fall in love for one night, but she don't know my name. I hate being single, feeling like an asshole. Every time they want more, I just run away. Maybe I'm unsure, maybe I'm just bored. Maybe I miss the shit you put me through. I know it sounds dumb, I keep finding problems with all the ways they're not exactly like you. But I don't like who I'm turning into lately. But I can't be alone now that you're gone. Can you really blame me? Think I'm going crazy. 'Cause I hate being single. Find someone to take home. Fall in love for one night, but she don't know my name. I hate being single, feeling like an asshole. Every time they want more, I just run away. 'Cause I hate being single. I hate being I want love, but only if she's like you. Ooh, now she's gone, and I can't find someone new. Hey, I hate being single. Find someone to take home. Fall in love for one night, but she don't know my name. I hate being single, feeling like an asshole. Every time they want more, I just run away. 'Cause I hate being single. She don't know my name. Single.
I never think I'll understand the way two hearts can beat as one. Like a shoelace, if you tread a little further, it'll come undone. If you look up to the sky, you'll see it coming. If you look her in the eyes, you will feel it bubbling. All these new sparks help cover old scars. Just one touch and you'll be left falling hard with these new sparks, these new sparks, these new sparks. They're gonna light up. The shortness of breath that you feel will be met with a warm sensation running from your head to your heels. We'll be dancing in this crowd, our eyes locked on each other now. These new sparks light up the ground. If you look up to the sky, you'll see it coming. If you look her in the eyes, you will feel it bubbling. All these new sparks help cover old scars. Just one touch and you'll be left.
Beauty tips and tutorials for makeup addicts that seek inspiration. Subscribe!